Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to check out the SEO agent Lexi in Writecream. Now this agent can help you in getting backlinks automatically and also in writing your content or optimizing existing content so that it can rank on in the top of Google search results. When you open Lexi, this is how the interface will look like. If you have created any articles or if you have optimized any existing pieces, then you would be able to see those here. As you can see, I have already done a few. If you want to get started with a new article, or if you want to optimize an existing article, then if you want to just get started with the new document, then you can just click on new research here. And we also have options for backlink autopilot. We'll just check this out. And then we have export options, and using this option you can go back to the dashboard. And we also have a search option using which you can search the documents that you have already worked on. Okay, so let's get started with the backlink autopilot first. As the description mentions here, get automatic backlinks when your website matches content we generate for other users. Okay, how this works is that the first step is that you have to add your website. That when the AI generates content, that is when we create articles for other users, our AI analyzes content relevance and category matching. If the article topic matches your website's category, we automatically insert your backlink. So what happens is that you get backlinks automatically, which will boost your SEO rankings. And the best part about this is that this runs on autopilot 24/7. The key benefits are mentioned here at the end as well. And the great thing about Writecream is that since the platform has over 2 million users now, you will end up getting a lot of backlinks. Okay, so you can enter your domain here. Just to give you a quick demo, let's say I'll enter google.com. Then you can see that you have added one domain, and based on the plan that you have, the limits will vary as per the number of websites that you can add. All right, okay, so we'll close this here, and now we will click on new research. Here you have a couple of options to choose from. So you can see that, so here you can enter your target keyword in this section. You can choose the search country. There are lots of options to choose from. As you can see, I'll let this be as United States English, and then of course you can choose among, let's say, how to make a chocolate shake. Okay, so we'll start with something simple here, and once we have that, then we click on start. So you can see on the right hand side that it's searching the Google search results. Now it's filtering the scrapable pages, and once it has that, then it's processing that content, and now it's finalizing the analysis. All right, now we can just click on the start writing article button. This opens up a new tab. So here you can see that welcome to the SEO editor. So you can write a new document. You can start with a blank editor, or you can write the article with the help of AI. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the second option. It asks that it will generate the title and description. Enter your query to generate optimized title and description for your content. And it has already pre-filled this with the keyword. So I'm just going to click on generate, and it has generated a title. So simple chocolate milkshake recipe, easy blender steps. Okay, so we'll just get to the next step now, and that is to create the outline. So now it has loaded the outline here, and you can review and customize your article structure. Click any heading to edit it properly. So all these headings and subheadings are editable, and you can just scroll down, and you can see that it has there's a lot of headings that it is covering. So there's going to be a lot of content. All right, now we'll just click on generate paragraphs. This can take a bit of time. That's understandable since there is a lot of content that the article is going to generate. So the great thing about using an AI editor is that it will give you a draft that is optimized as per SEO. And the good thing about this editor, as we will see, is that it will include all the images. So it pull up stock images, and you can also add images generated using AI, videos, everything. From within this editor itself, you can export the article directly into WordPress as well. Okay, so I was talking about images, and now we have this initial draft that you can see here, and at the moment, as you can see that there are some placeholder images. As you can see, it has written the entire article. Now I'll simply just click on load images. Okay, it has now loaded over 34 images, if I got that correctly. So as you can see, there is lots and lots of detail. So this is going to be a really detailed article. So now that all the images are loaded, I'm just simply going to click on insert content. This will directly add the entire article that we saw in this pop-up into the article body itself. Another great thing about using this SEO editor is that this works cross-device. Since everything is backed up to the cloud, you can access your document across all your devices, whether it's mobile or using the Writecream apps or the Writecream website that we are using right now. All right, so we will just scroll a bit, and as you can see, I'll scroll up, and you can see that this is a very detailed article with all the images and everything that we need. Okay, so we will check out a couple of features within the editor itself. You can add headings, and all the headings are labeled correctly. So this is an H1, and you can add an H2, H3, H4. You can style the text as you please, and then you can align it as well. You can add lists, bullet or numbered lists, and you can add links, quotes, or images. All right, so now on the right hand side, you can see that we get a score. So the score of this article is 71%, and if you want to view more details, then you can click on the I button for the title, headings, keywords, or for the word count. And then underneath that we have the table of content. So this will just give you a quick overview of the contents of the article. Then this is an analysis of the article, and here you can see the headings which are recommended that you should include in the article, the keywords that you should use. For example, if you talk about milkshake, then you will see that it's mentioned 107 times, but it should be mentioned 5 times. So this is something that you can work on. And as I was saying, the best thing about using an editor like this is that it'll give you a guideline that you should stick to. So if milkshake is included, let's say 107 times, then you can try and reduce that. Then it will also give you an idea of the number of times a keyword should be included, and then you can figure out whether or not you want to increase the number of keywords or decrease the number of times it's mentioned. All right, going down further, you can see that there are competitor insights. Then underneath that we have the user intent. This will give you what the user seeks to obtain by reading this article. And then beneath that we get a readability score. So this is the grade level is 66.2. And then we have the keyword analysis, outlines that you can see from competitors, and you can also see questions. So there is loads of content that you can explore here. And as I was saying that if you want to write the perfect SEO article, this editor will give you a very good starting draft that you can easily work on, since there are lots of guidelines about the number of times a keyword should be included, and then we have all these scores that gives you a head start in getting the best article out that will definitely rank. All right, now that we are done with the basic section, let's check out the AI writing section. And there are a couple of AI writing features that we have. For example, let's say if I select this text, then I can expand on it, I can rephrase it, or I can find its synonyms. And then we have got a similar option for that here as well: expand text, rephrase it, find synonyms, plagiarism checker, and you can also humanize it. When you humanize a text, there are lots of AI content detectors now. So if you feel that the content that you have written that is not passing those detectors, then you can use this option to humanize it. Then we have got advanced keywords. Let's go down. Here you can see that internal linking, this one just mentions some tips that we have. So we have some on-page elements, then there are some suggestions, There's a schema markup that you can consider including in the article. Then we have conversion opportunities. This will give you an idea of what can be your primary, secondary, or your tertiary call to actions that you can add in the article. Then we have got recommendations. So another set of recommendations that you can ensure the main recipe instructions are easily printable or savable. You can implement clear call to actions for sharing, commenting, and rating the recipe. And then it gives you examples for the call to action strategy as well. And then at the end we have got some tweetable quotes, some suggestions. So as you can see that there is lots of things that you can get this done. So just from one place you can not only write the article, but you can also see how you can promote this on social media. So you can use the call to action insights not just within the article, but also in your campaigns on social media. And then finally we have some UX and layout tips. So these include the readability issues, layout issues, scanning optimizations. We have this historical SERP ranks, and this will give you an idea of whether there has been a change in the rankings in the last 6 months. So it says that with high confidence that since the ranking hasn't changed in the last 6 months, then if you rank for this article, then you will maintain your ranking for a long time. Some related keywords that you can check out. Now let's get into the analytics section. Here you can analyze, you can run domain analysis, obtain keyword data, do a backlink analysis, do a page analysis, check out the keywords that a domain ranks for, and just perform keyword research as well. So again, as you can see, there is loads and loads of things that you can do. So let's say that we will do a domain analysis here. Okay, so let's do a search for how to make a chocolate shake. Let's say we go with the tastesbetterfromscratch.com. okay, so let's pick this out. We'll go to our AI editor and the website name, we'll just paste it. Now we will check out the domain keywords. So let's click on analyze keywords. This is the total number of keywords that this website ranks for, and this is the total amount of traffic. So this website gets about 7.69 million visits a month. This will just give you an estimated traffic value. That's what ETV stands for. And then there are lots of pumpkin pie recipe. There are lots of other keywords that you can check out here. Okay, then if we have to do page analysis, then let's say we go with the same domain again. So from here you can see that this website has a total of 1000 pages, which are 12% up from last month. What's the total traffic value for this traffic that this website is getting, the total keywords it ranks for. So as you can see that the estimated traffic value of all the pages that this website ranks for is 7.6 million. And then you can view the traffic value of some of the individual pages that this website ranks for. For example, chicken noodle soup is one of them. Then this also shows you the total number of keywords this page ranks for. Then we go to backlink analysis. From here you can view the details of the backlinks that we have, that this website has. Then we go to keyword data, and here you can enter a keyword to analyze. So let's say that we saw this website ranks for chicken soup. So from here you can view the keyword data, and you can view the main keywords. You have and keywords. So the main keywords here will give you an idea of let's say if we pick near, then you can probably optimize the article for let's say chicken soup near me, or something along those lines. Or if you talk about with, then maybe chicken soup with noodles or something like that. Okay, then if we go to and keywords, then here it mentions those keywords directly. It says chicken soup candy, then chicken soup Canberra, chicken soup cancer, chicken soup can recipe, and all that stuff. And then similarly you can view all the other information that we have here. Okay, and then finally, in domain analysis, so this will give you the domain authority, the spam score, the page rank, the average page rank, that is, details about the number of links it has, the monthly traffic it gets, the traffic value that we already checked out, the social engagement, and of course this is the domain authority of this website over the last year or so. Then finally we have the media section, and as I was telling you, you can just search for YouTube videos here if you feel like adding those. This will just pull off videos from YouTube. You can watch the video, or you can just simply add it to the editor. And then if you want to just pull off stock images, then you can search for those here. Or if you just, let's say, want to generate images using AI, then you can add those here too. Okay, once you are done making changes to the article, you can save it using the option in the top right corner. And then I'll just go back to the editor menu. Using the WordPress option, you can simply connect your WordPress blog. You just need to enter the WordPress site URL, username, application password. So as you can see, lots of details, and you can also import from WordPress. You will have to enter your username and application password. So that's about it. So as you can see that there is loads and loads of options that this editor offers. So you can easily get started by creating an article, and you can polish articles that you have already worked on. You can start writing a new article from scratch, and then not just that, you can publish it to your WordPress blog straight from Writecream. And then if you also want to tweet about the article, you can do that. Or as we saw, you can also use the call to actions that we covered to just come up with the social media content on your own. And not just that, Writecream also has tools for image generation, for creating social media post captions. So you can also use those to come up with the content that you can use to promote the piece that you have written. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, then put those down in the comment section below, and subscribe if you want to watch more such videos. So that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.